This is gonna blow your mind. The Xiaomi 15 is here, and it's rewriting the rules of what a flagship smartphone can be. Looking for a smartphone that excels in performance, camera, and battery life? Say hello to the Xiaomi 15. Let's kick things off with the display. The Xiaomi 15 boasts a stunning 6.36-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision. And with a blazing 3200 nits peak brightness, you'll get perfect visibility even in bright sunlight. Plus, its Xiaomi Shield glass offers top-notch protection. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with an octa-core CPU and Adreno 830 GPU. Whether it's gaming or multitasking, everything runs buttery smooth. Now let's talk cameras. The Xiaomi 15 packs a triple 50MP Leica camera setup, a 50MP main sensor with OIS for ultra-sharp photos, a 50MP telephoto lens with 2.6x optical zoom for clear, zoomed-in shots, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens to capture more in every frame. For video lovers, it supports 8K recording and 4K HDR10+. Selfie fans, we haven't forgotten you. The 32MP front camera with 4K at 60 FPS video recording ensures crystal clear selfies and vlogs. And don't worry about battery life. The Xiaomi 15 has you covered with a 5240 mAh battery, 5400 mAh in China, 90W wired charging, 50W wireless charging, and even 10W reverse wireless charging. Plus, it's built to last with IP68 water and dust resistance, stereo speakers with high-res audio, and runs on HyperOS 2 with Android 15. All this for around €1,099, 90 cents, RS1 00000. If you want flagship-level performance, DSLR quality cameras, and blazing fast charging, the Xiaomi 15 is a solid choice. What are your thoughts on this phone? Drop a comment below.